How to reset Shopee password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset Shopee password. By using your phone number, tap on Forgot on the login page. Then enter the phone number linked to your account. In the next step, select Next. After that, complete the CAPTCHA if required to verify your identity. Now enter the verification code sent via WhatsApp or SMS. Following that, set your new password. In the end, hit OK and you're back in. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.